Find out how you can make money from home using UCM Social next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about how you can start making money with UCM Social or UCM Social. Now, I did a video about a week ago talking about how I joined UCM Social after they had this big revamp and like a new relaunch, because it used to be UCM, which was, I ain't like that at all. It was a little, I wasn't feeling it. Then when they switched over to UCM Social, I looked at their sales page, I read it, looked at their videos, and I said to myself, you know what, it's worth a shot. Now, with UCM Social, it basically allows people to make a residual income. All right, all it is $10 to get started with. You need a basically it's like an affiliate license. All right, when you pay $10 a month, it would allow you to earn $5 recurring payments every month from everyone you get that comes underneath you into the program, right? So the only thing you do, you have to give up your first and third. You got a first and third pass up. So your first person you bring in, it get passed up to your sponsor, and the third person gets passed up to your sponsor. Keep in mind, that's recurring income for your sponsor, which is great. But your second, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, all the way up to infinity people that you get to join underneath you, you're going to get that $5 recurring income. So you might be thinking, depends on who you are, like, that ain't nothing, $5, blah, blah, blah. Keep in mind, them $5 that you personally get adds up. But every person you bring in, don't forget, you get their first and third, is passed up to you. So you just personally going out getting 25 people can turn into everybody bringing you 2 other people. What's that, 50 or 75? I don't know. But you just bringing in a few people can turn into a lot of recurring revenue for you each and every month. So this really what got me hyped on it, because the program, what they're selling, what you're offering people is A, an opportunity to make a residual income, but B, it's all about branding. UCM Social is a platform that basically will allow people to brand themselves on all of the major social media platforms. So not only do you get these $5 recurring commissions, which is like great, but then they have different levels that you can go to. Of course, you have to get to that level before you can earn commissions, from the people underneath you. But it opens up so many other doors, because what the company offers is, like I said, social media branding. So if you decide to upgrade from just your free account, because that's what you start with, free, and just you can be an affiliate for $10 and you can stay there, or you can upgrade to a level called a logo level, which means you pay $20 and then there's a $20 admin fee, whatever, one-time fee, and you can get a logo created for you by the company that will go on all your social media. Then you can go to another level and get a branded website for you, for whatever your business opportunities are. You get a website. Then the next level, UCM Social will actually build you custom profiles for your Facebook and I believe Twitter. And then you can go to another level. They'll build you a custom profile for, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, right? Then another level, I believe they do all of those social media sites, and then they add Pinterest and YouTube. Not sure about Pinterest, but I know YouTube. So ultimately, if you get to the top package, which is around $1,200, keeping it real, right? But you don't have to get that. At the $1,200 level, you're making like $1,000 commissions on just that, plus your recurring $5 commissions, right? On top of that, so once you're at that level, that means you have, I believe, up to 4 or 5 social media profiles built for you and that are managed for you. right? Now there is a small fee that if you get to that level where it's like a $1,200 one-time thing, then I think you only pay like 60 or 70 bucks a month, but you're getting all of these profiles are working for you. So it's cool because before Upcrowd Me, I just felt like they didn't have a service. Like, what are you selling people? Nothing. This actually makes sense to me. This is why I'm giving this a shot. It makes sense. So if you decide to join, link below, you can check it out and get started for only 10 bucks a month, and the earning potential is truly unlimited, right? So if you're gonna get it, you got to promote it though. Point blank, don't sign up if you're not willing to promote. I'll be doing more videos on, promotion and stuff. Plus, when you sign up right now, sign up, you get free Facebook training. So you can start earning commissions today. Once you become an affiliate, pay 10 bucks. You go back and look at their Facebook training. You can literally build your business all on your Facebook, right? So you can work from home, right? And start earning these $5, recurring commissions, right? Imagine you have 100 people that you got, right? So that's $500 recurring, long as the people stay members, which they should, because why would you quit, for $10 a month? Think about it. You got 100 people. Now you're making $500 recurring income. But what about the people that actually got some other members, and you're going to get their first and third sign up for everybody that you bring in, right? So hopefully you can see the potential with that. And the idea is, guys, once you start making money with it, so say for example you did get 10 members, all right, so now you're making an extra 50 bucks a month, which is like whatever. You can take that 50 in 1 month, hey, go upgrade yourself to the logo status, right? At the same time, you still getting more and more members. Now you got 30 members, right? And 30 times $5 a month, that's $150 a month. You're getting some upgrade to the, it's on you. Or you can just get a ton of commissions, just go out there and recruit people, right? So how you can start making money with it is become an affiliate, 10 bucks, that's it. And do the Facebook training, guys. Do the Facebook training. Start there. Get you 5 to 10, 15, people signed up, and then take it from there, and then grow it out. All right. So right now, I'll still be doing update videos, letting you know what's going on. But right now, this is a great opportunity, guys, especially for those who want to make that passive residual income every single month. All right. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to comment and subscribe to this channel. You see I'm bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.